Yes, we offer a limited guarantee on aspects within our control. We assure the quality of our communication strategy and work diligently with clients to tailor messages that accurately represent their brand and resonate with the needs of their customers. We continue refining our strategy until there is a consensus among all parties. Furthermore, we guarantee the performance of the technology utilized as specified. For large campaigns, we recommend a pilot phase to evaluate results before scaling up. However, it's important to note that the effectiveness of re-engagement campaigns can be influenced by factors beyond our control, such as the quality of the provided data, market trends, and customer behavior. To get a quote, clients will need to schedule an online screen share meeting. During this meeting, we will discuss the objectives of the campaign, the offer being used to entice customer and prospects to return, and the quality of the data. If we believe that we can design and implement a successful campaign, we will generate a summary proposal. If that is accepted and a detailed campaign design is commissioned, we will provide a detailed costs proposal for each of the elements of the campaign.